Hello, organizing gals. Well, I am so excited to tell you about enjoying the kitchen. I have a whole bunch of fun ideas for you to make family dinners fun. And you know, what we really want is we want to have meaningful conversations at dinner. And I'm just going to tell you one big don't is turn off the TV so that you can have an opportunity to have some meaningful conversation. My mom, someone told her, you should enjoy your fine china with your family. You know, who are you saving that beautiful china for? So she thought, you know what? They're right. I'm going to have a lovely, beautiful dinner with my own children using our fine china. And that night we set the table, we had this lovely dinner all set up. And then, I don't know how it happened, but the table broke in half. And the dishes fell on the floor and a lot of them broke. And my mom's like, it's just a test. It's just a test to see if I will continue to use these nice dishes with my own children. And she continued to do that. So use your nice dishes. I bought just a bunch, like for $5, I got like 25 goblets at a thrift store. And we use those for holidays and everyone gets to, you know, cheers with their sparkling cider, and it's a really fun memory. One fun thing you can do is you can get funky utensils and you can all eat with funky utensils. That might be fun. Another thing, this is, you know, get some beautiful dishes. This is Pioneer Women and I love her dishes. These are Melanie and they're supposed to also represent the China story. And then here are her also, she has these little bowls for $2. And these are so cute. And you know, you can eat a small bowl of ice cream and it feels like eating a large bowl because it's such a cute little bowl. And these are sauce bowls. So another thing you can do that's fun is you can do a conversation starter jar. So you just get, you know, little pieces of paper and you can print out some questions. And like this question says, what faith-promoting experience do you remember that you want to share with each other? Or this one, what is the most trying experience that ever happened to you? Or this one, what was your favorite vacation? So it's just, sometimes, you know, by the time it's the end of the day, everybody's so tired that finding something meaningful to talk about might be a challenge. So this is kind of a fun idea. You can also buy little conversation starter games online. Like this one's by Family Time Fun, and it's a fun little game. It's what's in the sock. So one person begins and they hide a secret object in a sock, and then everyone passes it around and they try to figure out what is in the sock. And you can't peek, and you could even try the game with an oven mitt. Put some object in an oven mitt and try to guess. So this is a cute little picnic basket I bought at a thrift store, and I'm so excited. I get a little uptight inside the house, but when I go outside, it's just a stress killer. It's a stress killer for babies, it's a stress killer for the family, and you don't have to wash off the counter. You can just sweep it off and you don't have to sweep the floor. So it cuts down your cleaning. So we have a little table outside that we eat on, and that is awesome. This is a cute blanket I got. My sister-in-law had a thin little blanket that she used for all of her picnics, and I wanted to get one, so I just got this. It's just really lightweight and you can just keep it in your car so that you're always ready for your picnics. And then I have one more set of ideas on menu planning to show you. So this is one of my menus. I don't know if you can see it, but this has 150 different things that I like to cook. And it's got like, it reminds me of my day of the week focus, which Monday is for breakfast pancakes, dinner noodle night. Tuesday, cereal for breakfast, night times Mexican. Wednesday, French toast, dinner Asian. Thursday, eggs in the night, casserole. Friday, hash browns in the morning, leftovers for dinner or pizza. Saturday, muffins for breakfast or biscuits, and for dinner, soup. anyway, you get the idea. So that is great when you have, you know, lists. So, you know, you don't have to think of what do we want to eat. You can just look in your Mexican little category and then you can see, oh, we could have burritos, enchiladas, taco salad. You know, you have all your little ideas. This is something that's fun. I got this from the Busy Budgeter, and she says, days I did not eat out this week. So you mark down all the days that you did not go out to eat, because going out to eat is super expensive, not very healthy. I go out on Friday or Saturday, thoroughly enjoy it, but if I, you know, spent the money to feed a family of 8, that would just add up. So I can feed my family for about $1 a meal per day. So that's about $24 a day to feed our family. And I've been using one of these in my kitchen, and it has an idea for breakfast, lunch, dinner. So I just fill this out and then I tape it inside a cabinet door so that, you know, Monday morning I want to make breakfast. I come home from the gym, I've got 15 minutes to make breakfast, and then I've got all these different fun ideas. Like today I made crepes, and my boy even thanked me. He's like, thanks for making something really good, Mom. So compliments can happen. And then here's one last thing I did. I kind of get bored sometimes of food, so I made this little breakfast cookbook. So what I did was I just put a little, I taped in egg recipes, and then I got one of these Costco cookbooks and I cut up all the breakfast recipes and I taped them in, because I like this size of cookbook. I don't like 8.5 by 11 binders, so I got this little binder at the thrift store, and then it just has all these fun recipes that I just put in. So, you know, when I'm planning breakfast, I've got all my breakfast recipes in one cookbook, and then I'm going to do a lunch one and I'm going to do a dinner one. So, you know, that just makes it kind of easy. So I hope that you can figure out some ways to bring more joy into your kitchen and your family meals, and you can create some fun memories with your family. So this is Crystal Meldrum with OrganizeYourJoy.com.